Menteri Katanat Information and Public Relations Balak min rumbui ulapan pau ya kajing kongsan halur kajing don kam ya karukam pathai khubor kabayo ya kajing shania na ki pat ba khamtam ha kabakum ha kani kajuk bagi runsan social media ki jurbha ya kani menteri ulapan pau habakran ha kajing rakhe jong ki nong pathai khubor ka jila Meghalaya ya ka National Press Day ha ka khatsan tarik nai wiang ha kajing alang kabalalong hashlong klam halur kapang Role of print media in the digital age. Menteri ulapan pau ya kajing kabanang kiu hapadeng kiriu pat ba hakaban ithu ya kijing shisha hapadeng kajing tu jong kijing tip ling ba ki print media electronic bat ki rensan digital baper. Ulaban jur ba kajing shania kadai umau bersiu jong kakam thok khubor kabala banyot tang hadin bala bishar benya ya kijing shisha kibakyar na kijing pensnguthu bakla bat kibale katkum gi kendon jong kaburam ka akor da kabakdo halor ka jingalang ka badangshan bat kilat pathai khubor ka jila urumbui ulakdo ya ka jingpan pau jong menteri rangba ka jila u Conrad ki sangma ya ka jinga trelang hapadeng ka sarkar bat kilat pathai khubor halor ka jing thok khubor ka ba katkum gi kendon jong kaburam ka akor ka jing shania jong ki pat ba ka jing pendan kam ya ka teknologi da kabab pikir bat ka jingkit kli. Rumbui ulapun scam ya ka jingkular jong ka sarkar halor kini ginong rim da kabab batai ya ka kam thok khubor ka badan jingkit kli da kabab kyar kum na ki kam penshit jingshun penyapher jingkan tho bat ka baya da karpang ya ka buram ka ijot jong ki khulung khna bat ki badan ha ka jingma na ka jing shakta. Ulak do ba ha ka jinglong jingman ha Meghalaya ka jingburam ya ka kolshor jong ki trashnong ya ka ktien ba ka jingsngo jong ka imlang salang kalong ka bakong san bha. Halor ka teknologi menteri ulakhot ban betingka na ka benta ki kor ki bor digital ka jingpet benya e ka jingshisha bala penya da ka AI ka jingshampang ha ka liang ki jingtem bat ki jingtho ha ka ktien trairi ban penthikna ba ka jingshisha kan job persha e ki jingtep ki babakla. Nalor kata ulaban jurru baka jingkit kli kadai banlong ka jingtrekam ka bayat relang ka bapen mi jingmentoy ka bakentui kilat pathai khobor ban keli ka jingkeli ki ba ban wat benya e ka jingpen slam ban pen shisha la ki jingkular ki pen kala sha ki jingmi ki bala banyo i ubala kemen ulapen kut da ka bakentui kilat pathai khobor ban pentip shi ki pat ba bat ban penrong ya ka jing sngotenat ban puli hapre gi khna bat ka ban pen scam ya ka senshar pat ba jong ka jela.
The role of the media in giving the right for the children. I will not dwell much on that issues, but what I want to say is that now, as your team has clearly mentioned, role of print media in digital age. Now, for me, a layman, for the people on the street, it is very difficult for us to know whether everything published in the press is true or whether everything which flooded the media and electronic media or digital media is true or not. It is very difficult, and we should know why. And the reply and the answer is we cannot give it, because anything it is very dynamic. Dr. Khashing has already spelled out how the media face the challenge from time to time. But there are critical issues which we need to understand. And if the press, the media have some of these critical things, I think we can rise above all. Number one is how much trust does our public discourse deserve? Trust is built when journalism is ethical. When facts are checked rigorously When multiple perspectives are heard, when the stories avoid stereotype, and when the most vulnerable are treated with dignity and care. These are trust are a very, very important thing, and ethical is very, very important. I'm very happy that our Honorable Chief Minister, who knows the importance of media, not only the importance of media, the importance of true reporting, the importance of discerning of the truth. Recently, the Meghalaya Media Meet was held, where the Chief Minister has already mentioned that the media government partnership is built around 4 pillars: ethical journalism, public trust, responsible use of technology, and accountability. Today, on National Press Day, I want to reaffirm the commitment of the government to see that these 4 slogans, ethical journalism, public trust, responsible use of technology, and accountability should be the guiding principle in our day-to-day work. Ethical journalism is a very fragile information in this very fragile information climate, where information travels faster than verification and sometimes faster than truth. In such a climate, ethical journalism becomes a form of public service. It resists the temptation of sensationalism. It avoids amplifying hate, division, or stigma. It protects dignity, privacy of survivor children and vulnerable group. We should also respect the culture and also the language and understanding the people of Meghalaya. At the Meghalaya Media Meet, one clear takeaway was report with people, not just about them. This is a very, very important. That is an ethical commitment. It also a democratic one. Trust, it is the invisible infrastructure of democracy. Meditating in democratic system, we know that there is a road, there is a building, there is everything. But until unless trust is there, it is very difficult, because many people, even if they see also, they pretend as they do not see. So from the government of Meghalaya, recent human-centric development work on maternal and child care, we have seen that people do not just ask, what is the scheme? They also ask, can I trust it? Can I trust the system? Can I trust what I read and see in the news? That's why ethical is very, very important.
I really appreciate the Meghalaya media, especially because for the kind of integrity that they have. Even though they look like very freely moving with political leadership and moving very freely with everybody, but still when it comes to reporting, they stick to their ground. They report the facts. That is something that I see that they talk very nicely in front of tomorrow morning they report the facts. That is something that is very, very wonderful to see here. Even though they're very vulnerable financially. See, for independence, for freedom, you need to have financial freedom. That's very, very essential. But financial freedom is difficult in our state. I see many of you who are reporting, you could have got a better job. Even teacher gets, the lowest salary a teacher gets is 20,000 in our state. Now you could have become easily teacher, but still even for less payment, for out of passion you still working. Many of you still open a news channel and then you don't even take salary for yourself, and you've been working so hard. and going around reporting, waiting outside the chamber of ministers, in secretariat, everywhere, just waiting, and finally you get some bites and then you report. This is, but you don't get anything, but still, it's so wonderful that out of passion you are doing this job, and that's why at DAPR also recently we have taken some steps at least to address this financial freedom issue. Through Meghalaya Socialist Welfare Scheme in 2024, we have recently increased the levels ex gratia from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs we increased, and also accident and other things that we increased from 50,000 to 3 lakhs. We have also increased the welfare fund. Earlier it was 5 lakhs, now we increased to 35 lakhs corpus fund, and we are also giving pension to veteran generalists. So that is something that's new steps that you, because this will not fully give you financial freedom, but at least it will ameliorate the condition that you are having right now.